All right, it's a beautiful day out here on Mammoth Mountain. Monday, and nobody around. There it is, Coyote. We're gonna go get some turns in there. And riding up the High 5 Express, Chair 5. There you go. They've groomed out this section in here. It is really good coming down this face. Oh yeah, we're gonna go ski this too. Woohoo! Taking a look at the top of Mammoth Mountain here at the saddle off of top of High 5 Express, and there is Dave's. Here's Solitude for you. Smells really good in here, not too firm. Nice soft on the top. Don't hear those edges too much. All right, they've groomed a couple routes here on the face. Try to set this a little better. Smells loosened up really good in here too today with this 40-degree temp. Good snow in here, you can fly. Another bomber. All right, there you go. All right, there's Center Bowl and Chair 3. Gondola 2 headed up. There she is, Climax. And we're in Saddle Bowl. We got Cornice Bowl groomed really wide here into the top of San Antone. You can see some nice turns in there. Woohoo! Upper San Antone. Gremlin's Gulch all groomed. There's Scotty's there. All right, Scotty's leading into the lower part of San Antone. Snowman's taking it easy. Still some corduroy on this side. Woo! Alright, heading out to Cheers 13 and 14. We'll see how the conditions are out here. Good stuff in here. Look at this. All right, here it is. The outpost. All right, snowing there was really good. And the temperature warms up. Get rid of that northeast wind. It's a whole new story. All right, we're up here, chair 12 now, and we're going to take a little stroll down here and see how this groomer is. Snowing here is pretty good once you get up that little top section. Here we go. Woo! Gotta get some speed, get back to the main lodge here. Alright, here's the top after all that northeast winds we had. Looking pretty good. Sun's getting higher in the sky. Look at that over here. Cornice has got sun on it. Let's go check it out. Alright, let's go over here and check out Cornice. Alright, Cornice Bowl. Woo, that's firm. Over here a little better. Some soft stuff in there. There's somebody. Nice turns right there. All right, so much for the shady side. Let's go over here and check out the sunny side. Got this groomed really wide. Snow's much better here in the sunny side on Cornice Bowl. All right, center bowl here. Not many takers. Here's one. It looks really firm, but it's pretty darn good. Yeah, good stuff. All right, so center bowl off of chair 3. We're gonna head over to Coyote now. I think this is called Lower Christmas Bowl, and then you hit Coyote. A few more all fun in here. All right, this is Coyote. Let's get into the sunny side. Sounds pretty good. So all the snow's loosened up almost, what, 12:45 now. All right, that's it for the Snowman. You have a simply fantastic day. I hope to see you out here on Mammoth Mountain sooner than later. We will ski you later.